Uganda nibakozesa omubazi gw'ebishaka ahabw'okuba nigwo bakubasa kutunga kandi otaireho n'okugira ngu n'ogw'akasente kakye. Okurugiirira ahari byakutaaga ekitongore ekikujunaanizibwa kushijuma omubazi omu ihanga ekya National Drug Authority kibikwata abantu abarikuguza emibazi y'ebishaka bataine layisensi ahabw'okuba eki nikitamagara g'abantu omu kabi.
You say I have this, and you say okay, your neighbor there is the problem, but you take this. I mean, really. Yes, so most of the time, actually now we have even another challenge that even our traditional custodians of heritage sites also now participate in this witchcraft. They will sell herbs. So it's a whole mix-up here.
Kurugiirira Andrew byakutaaga uringanzya obukama bwa Bunyoro yashoborera ngu abantu abaingi omu kyanga ekya Bunyoro n'abooro munonga eki nikyo kikubagemesereza okukozesa emibazi y'ebishaka ahabw'okuba yo n'ey'akabeeyi kakye otaireho n'okugira ngu emibazi y'ekijungu n'ebeeyi y'ahaiguru kandi abantu tibarikugibaasa.
It's expensive. I think there's some exploitation there which needs to be tackled. I don't know whether NDA, because there are people who regulate medicine in this country, and most of the medicine is important. Why is it that expensive? You go for treatment, they give you a bill, 250,000. For heaven's sake, how can you afford that? How can you afford? So,
Bigambe ebi byakutaaga yabigamba mu rukungana rwe ori yageraho n'abangu ku rw'ekitongore ekya National Drug Authority rwabarushitami ahari ofisi ye omu rurembo rwa Hoima. Zack Karega orikukora n'ekitongore ekya National Drug Authority yekyerezana n'ebigambo byakutaaga ari kugira ngu omubazi omwingi gw'ekijungu guri aha beeyi y'ahaiguru konka obwahati gavumenti etaireho oburyo obw'okurebeka ngu omubazi ogu gwakorwaho omu ihanga ekyakubasa kugureetera kuba ogw'ebeeyi nkye. Muringo nigwo gumwe Zack yashoborera ngu ekitongore kya NDA kiza kukwatanisa n'obukama bwa Bunyoro kurebeka ngu barwanisa omuze gw'okukozesa ebitokoza bwongo omu baana b'amashomero.
Our next board meeting next month in December, hopefully we shall be able to present this to the board and we shall be able to give you feedback. Of course, there are some other areas that we would wish to partner with you, not only the medicine, for example, NDA, drug abuse and the rest. But in these ones, we shall have a systematic program and we work together. NDA will do the necessary support in terms of materials and others in these peculiar other elements which are not directed to our medicine.
Muringo nigwo gumwe Solomon Onen nawe orikukora n'ekitongore kya National Drug Authority yashoborera ngu obwahati gavumenti eriyo neetaho oburyo kurebeka ngu omubazi oguri kushora gwona gwaba guri aha sente ezirikubaasibwa buri muntu omu ihanga.
As the NDA, we try to make sure that medicines available are cost effective, and we do this through a number of ways. One of them is to allow several registered players to import medicines into the country. This avoids a monopoly, where somebody will have a monopoly of a particular medicine and can control the prices as and when they wish. I think though that the biggest challenge arises at the service delivery levels.
Ebyo bikiri aho Fred Kabuye hamwe na Christopher Zindana n'abari gukora n'ekitongore kya National Drug Authority bashoborera ngo bwahati ekitongore kiri nkikore kiri kubasika kyona kurebeka ngu kyakwatanisa n'abembezi b'ebyobuhangwa kurebeka ngu babasa kutaha enkwatanisa hagati y'abantu hamwe n'ekitongore eki.
Anga tukakasa nti senga National Drug Authority ekolagana n'obukama kijja kuyamba amaloboozi agava mu National Drug Authority enkola ennungi erungamye ebyeddagala National Drug Authority gyeyagala gyerina okukwasa mu nkola ejja kwanguba.
Before molds, moving to be there for months, and they need to so want to teach them, educate them on how best to store such. But the practice issues are not managed by the associations. Okay, because we have the written where the practices. Okay, so for us, our focus is on the medicines that they prepare and give.
Makuraga gashakwa God asaba Sky TV agenshonga murembo rwa Hoima.